Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's break of Sterling mini boxes. Current time 6:26, Friday, March 23rd, Pacific time. We're going to do the team list. Unfortunately, because of eBay's selling limits, I wasn't able to list each one on the put each one individually up for auction. So there were about 8 unsold teams, I think, for this break. But thankfully, my fiance was kind enough. She's gonna let me put the remaining teams from tomorrow's break up for auction on under her name. So I will be posting those here shortly. So there will be no unsold teams. Anyhow, here we go. I injured my finger at work today pretty badly. Oh no, what am I doing? These got me all shaking up. Got empty box. Got first one, empty box. And empty box. Alright, good luck everybody. Next week I'm also going to be doing, on the way right now, I have a box of limited, Panini Limited 2011, a box of 2011 Triple Threads, and 2011 Crown Royale. Those are on the way. They'll be here next Wednesday, the 28th, so I'll be contacting you guys about those. Save that, save that. Okay, first card out of 299, number 68 out of 299 for the Bengals, Ryan Whalen. Second card, rookie for the Giants, Mark Hirschlick. First hit, pretty nice card. Number 3 out of 25 for the Bengals, AJ Green. For the Bengals. Oh, sorry. Well, my injured finger's really hindering me. Next, rookie relic for the Rams, Austin Pettis. And lastly, for the Chargers, Sir Jordan Todman. I just realized I took that card off the screen. My apologies. You guys know from past breaks I don't normally do that. Okay, first card, Mr. T.J. Yates for the Texans. Second card for the Redskins, number 44 out of 99, Niles Paul. For the Jaguars, Mercedes Lewis, auto, rookie auto, unnumbered. For the Titans, unnumbered rookie relic, Jake Locker, nice. And for the Broncos, Kyle Orton relic. Alright, last pack of the night. For the Redskins, Ryan Kerrigan. For the Seahawks, Chris Durham. For the Chiefs, John Baldwin, number 64 out of 99. For the Saints, Mark Ingram, rookie relic, unnumbered. And the last is an autographed printing plate, Nick Fairley. Nick Fairley of the Lions. And nobody bought the Lions, so if you're interested, Nick Fairley printed plate, send me a message. Go ahead. We have the Mark Ingram relic, John Baldwin refractor relic for the Chiefs, Kyle Orton relic, Jake Locker, Mercedes Lewis, Jordan Todman, Austin Pettis, and AJ Green. And that's it for the hits. Thanks everybody. Have a good night.